I am going to color my hair in purple. So this is going to be a DIY ombre hair. So I'm going to kind of color my hair from this part. The first time I'm trying to color my hair, so let's see how it goes. So I have with me this STREAX highlight kit. What I need to let you all know is that this is a highlight kit. There's not much quantity in this. You have to get multiple boxes. I've got only 2. Considering the fact that my hair is really thin, I'll let you know what all we have in this highlighting kit. We have the very first step, that is to have a blonder and the developer. This is the first step to kind of lighten your hair before you kind of put the color on it, the colorant. There's a purple color which will go on after you bleach your hair or lighten your hair. They're very sweet to give you a pair of gloves. You have conditioner in this which you'll be putting after you color your hair to kind of maintain the texture of it. You'll also need a plastic bowl. Avoid any metallic bowls. Don't use steel or any other sort of bowls. And they have these 2 brushes that they provide you with. It's bent a little, whatever. So you can use Vaseline or Nivea or any sort of moisturizer. You can even use coconut oil or olive oil, and we'll be putting it around our face and on the neck. And then I have this red towel with me that I'll be putting around me. You actually need aluminium foil to kind of cover your hair, but I kind of forgot that I don't have one and I did not get it. So I'm just going to put this towel around me and just color it. Starting off, I am going to part my hair from the middle, okay, so that it's easy to work with. Now once you have your hair parted like this, I am going to put away the top part of it like this. You don't need the top part, we'll be working with the lower part first. Saloon wali feel aa rahi hai. Blonder powder, developer. I didn't get a scissor. I have my scissors with me. I'm putting in this blonder powder. Something like this. Once it's done, I have 10 minutes to color my hair. I'm gonna color the bottom section. I'm like super scared. I don't have a mirror, so let me start. I'll be back. I need a mirror. So I'm just going to take the rest of the color in my gloves like this. So that paisa vasool. I look like a freaking mess, but yeah, that's it. I'm going to wait for 45 minutes. You're supposed to wait for 30 minutes, but since our hair is naturally dark and black in color, I would like to wait for 45 minutes or an hour. So once I colored my hair, this is the jugaad I did. The same gloves that I used to, color my hair, I just rolled them inwards. I put it on my hair and I just tied it with rubber bands. They're like warm, super warm. So I am going to leave it for 45 minutes like I told you all. And let's see how it turns out. I've washed my bowl again and I'm going to put the colorant. So I have 2 colorants with me. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so please wear a t-shirt that you all would like to throw, or an old t-shirt. Anyway, so I have kept it for 45 minutes and now I'm going to open it. I can see it from here. I don't know, I'm quite excited. Let's see. So I'm going to open this jugaad that I did. And yes, my hair. I mean, it's so hot. I don't know if it's supposed to be hot. I mean, अच्छा खासा it's become light. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे रह गया. You all need to apply. As I told you, 1 box won't be enough, so you all can buy it, based on how thick your hair is and how long it is. So yeah, anyway, it's an ombre, so you don't need to kind of have a very oh my god, have a very straight perfect color. I'm gonna kind of put it back and show you guys how it looks from the back. Okay, so now I need to wash my hair with shampoo. I'll do that, dry my hair, and I'll be back. So this is what my hair looks like once I've washed it and let it dry. I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, this is a nice blonde. This might catch color well. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रह गया, I think. But I'm kind of liking this too. I mean, I'll just show you guys how it looks from the back. Shirt completely ruined. So my next step is to put these colorant creams into this, and the same process. I'll take a brush, mix it, put it on my hair wherever it's colored. You guys have to be really sure on how you put the, you know, bleach or the blonder. I mean, if you see, this hair will not catch the color, this part of my hair. But yeah. Smells so good. So good. Please wear gloves when you're doing this. You guys don't want to stain your hand. So I'm going to tie my hair into 2 ponytails, and then I'm going to just color it all together rather than, you know, I missed a hair. So yeah, I don't know if this is going to work or how well this is going to work, but let's put on gloves. Not to forget. Now it's time for the gloves. I think I'll take adha and then do. Now since they've given us this, let's try this. It's not completely done, I think, but I'm going to first color this too. And spread your hair to check whether you've actually applied it properly. And I'm not. So I have somewhat tried to apply. I'm sweating. So I try to apply it just looking at the camera. Now I'll go and check in the mirror, apply all of this properly, and get back to you. Okay, so I have completely colored my hair and it's all bad. I mean, I had a few color here as well, but the cream saved me. So yeah, let's keep it for another 45 minutes and let me get back to you guys. So yesterday, by the time I could wash my hair, I mean wash the color off and let it, you know, dry naturally, it was dark, it rained and it was very cloudy. So I was like, okay, let me take this night and then I'll record it tomorrow morning. So I'll show you. This is how it turned out. I am not sad. It's not bad. That rhymed. It's not bad, but it's not what I expected, to be honest. Okay, so now So since this was my first time, there are a few do's and don'ts that I think will help you guys when you do it. So first thing is, use aluminium foil. It gives you a very clear idea of how well your hair is covered, because when you take, like what I did, I just took it in a bunch and I colored it. A few parts are colored well while the others aren't. I mean, it is pretty. I mean, dhoop mein it looks very good, right? Other thing is, you have to put the bleach very well. It acts as a base for your color. I would say, don't keep your bleach for more than 45 minutes. Just don't keep the bleach for a longer time. After 45 minutes, the bleach will stop working. It will cook your hair and your hair will get extremely damaged. I think that's all. It's a easy thing to do, but if you'll ask someone to, kind of color your hair, it might turn out better. I'm just showing you all what it looks like from the back. So that's how it looks from the back. That's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it and got a few lessons from the mistakes I made. You all can put any questions, any queries in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer it immediately for all of you all, if in case you all are trying to color your hair. Bye guys. Subscribe, like.